Up first this evening, fear continues to grip the usually quiet community of Dover in St. Catherine, but today assurances from the police commissioner that the police will be doing everything to bring those responsible for Tuesday's carnage to justice. Major General Anthony Anderson was in the area today. Residents say his presence helped them to relax a little, though they are still nervous. Now, TVJ's Kirk Wright was in the area and now reports.
There's obvious fear among the people of Dover community in Kitson Town, St. Catherine. As usual, they're expecting a reprisal from Tuesday's shooting of 9 people, in which 4 died. Today, the police commissioner, Major General Anthony Anderson, was in the area attempting to calm the fears of the residents. He addressed them at a parish church in the area, where he repeatedly told them that the police will be going all out to bring people to justice for the killings and ensure the community remains safe.
At this point in the investigation, we really don't want to say a lot. We're following a number of threads, but what I can tell you is that we're committed to dealing with this and following up on it. And wherever it leads, that's where we'll go.
The residents, still too fearful to reveal their identity, expressed optimism at the commissioner's promise.
Yeah, I feel more confident, only knowing that if the police then will continue to be in the area. They have to be in the area because those criminals know how to get around without the police can leave out and them fit in.
Well, we feel a little bit more relief, but only one thing now what I want to see is like more present, the police presence in the area more, because even last night we hear a shot fire, we never know. Say a police fire the shot, but all people run from the back road. You understand? So if we could have known, say, you know, them have a station where we know say them there at the crossroad or something, would I feel a bit more better.
Dover is generally a quiet community, and now there are speculations swirling as to why gunmen shot 9 people, killing 4.
As usual, when one of these things happen, there are a lot of people giving you information. You have to sift through that to see which ones make sense, which ones are likely to be accurate, and we have to investigate each one. So that's early days, but we're moving quickly.
The police commissioner says they have already moved additional security personnel to the area. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.